Sauce similar to tartar sauce. All the wet ingredients are in there with the virgin olive oil. This is everything else that's going in there. As you can see, diced up already small. Just makes it easier when I put the speed stick in there to finish this up fairly smooth. Just take this. I didn't add any salt and pepper yet because we have anchovies in there, and that could be salty enough. Now let's look at this with a spoon. Now, you know, after this sits for a little while, it'll start to separate again. So now it looks like mayonnaise or vinaigrette. That's good. Taste it. I never made this before, so now I can make adjustments. A lot of things in there I taste good, except one more item to add. Of course, it's always lemon juice. Added that. Put some pepper in there. I think I gotta get some more whole peppercorns for that. And only, well, instead of a pinch of salt, I'm gonna increase the anchovies. Okay? So this is going to be, I'll make the adjustments on the description under the video for the amount. And so we got this now. Let's see if this is enough. The only other thing that I don't have in there, which I did, is some fresh parsley. But I didn't have to go shopping to make this. I had everything in the house. So I can't run out just for parsley. So you would put like a tablespoon of parsley in there. I rinsed off my spoon because somebody's going to say, look, you're double dipping. Well, you know what? The sauce is for me. So there you go. Okay, that's it. Everything is in there. That's listed. Tastes pretty good. Now, where's it going? Simply, I just happen to have something that it can go with. I have some fried, canned sardines. So let's drizzle this over. And now, you know how sardines are kind of dry, funny taste to some people. Now you have something that's going to be a little better. Pretty good. Or you can use like ketchup, just mayonnaise, tartar sauce, whatever you like on fried fish. This is pretty good. I hope you enjoy it.